let's go over a reverse Nordic. We're gonna use a mat here for your knees. If you don't have one or if you don't want one, that's okay as well, so long as you can tolerate the pressure through your knees. So we're gonna go ahead and get into a nice shoulder width position in a tall kneeling position. And then from here, we're going to make sure that we find our glutes. Now, as we tuck our pelvis, okay, we might already feel stretch through our hip flexors here, and that's okay, okay? We understand that that's exactly what we're looking for. When we go into this position, I don't want you feeling the stretch close to your knees or tension close to your knees. You should feel that kind of midway through your thigh and maybe pushing up into your hips, okay? So from here, okay, find our glutes. See if we can find the tension from the get-go, and then we are gonna go ahead and bend our knees without allowing our hips to hinge, okay? So from this position, we're gonna keep our pelvic tilted, and we're gonna go into our reverse Nordic to get a big stretch through our quads and hip flexors, and then we're gonna pull back up, okay? Depending on what your program says, your program might say to hold for 5 seconds at the bottom, which would mean hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or just to essentially go in and out of that position. Remember that we are trying to maintain our glutes on and our pelvis tucked in while staying nice and tall through the whole position so that we can get maximum stretch and load through that quad and hip flexor region. That's gonna be our reverse Nordic.